Hi, how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, pasta with mushrooms, with cream, with garlic and tomatoes. This is super easy and it is super delicious. Let's go and take a look at the very simple ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. So I've got some fresh white mushrooms, like 200 grams. I've cut them, sliced them fairly thick. 1 onion, about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, which I've just sliced. You can chop that if you want. I've got 2 teaspoons of oregano and 1 teaspoon of tarragon. I love tarragon actually. It's really sort of the most underrated herb ever, along with sage, I suppose. But yeah, I love those. And then here we've got tomato and cream. The tomato, you can use a can of tomatoes, some kind of passata, some kind of tomato sauce. And the cream I'm using, by the way, they're about 250 ml of each. The cream I'm using, I always get loads and loads of emails about this and messages. You can use any cream you want. This is it's quite a thick cream, but you can use a thin cream, like a single cream, or a heavy cream like that. It doesn't matter which one you use, it's going to work out just the same. We're going to start this off with some olive oil and use some salt and pepper. That is it. And of course, we're going to get some pasta on the go. Cook your pasta because we're really going to concentrate on the sauce. So I've got some olive oil in there heating up. Just want to show you the pasta. I'm using this 3-coloured penne. You can use anything you want. It's cooked. There's about 3-4 cups there of pasta. But yeah, use any pasta you want, spaghetti or whatever. Right, let's drop in our onion. And I've sliced my onion. If you wanted, you could chop it much smaller than this. To that, let's add that garlic. We're on a fairly high heat. I'll be back in about 3 minutes. So easy. Let's get our mushrooms, drop them in. Like I say, I've got white, fresh mushrooms. And yeah, cut quite, quite chunky, I think. Sliced, but chunky slices. Very, very simply. Stay on this heat and let's go for another 3 or 4 minutes. This is looking absolutely fabulous. Next up, we're going to drop in our dried herbs. Like I say, I'm using oregano and tarragon. And like I say, I love tarragon. It's kind of, I think it's just underused. Let's get some salt in there. Let's get some black pepper. And then very simply we're going to drop in our tomato. Like I say, you can use a can of tomatoes, some sort of pasta sauce, or pizza sauce even, whatever it is in those jars, you know what I mean? Homemade is obviously better. Stay on this heat, fairly high heat, for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Amazing. Now if you want to keep this vegan, get your pasta in now, give it a mix and you're done. We're going to go with cream, rendering it only vegetarian, and we're going to give this a mix, and again about 2 or 3 minutes. Keep it moving all the time now. That is looking fantastic. If you want it, a little bit of Parmesan cheese in there. I'm not putting any in today. Or a few chili flakes or a bit of cayenne pepper if you fancy a kick. Now we're going to drop in our cooked pasta. Like I say, I'm using this 3-coloured penne. 2 to 3 more minutes, moving it around. We want to get some of that lovely sauce in, on and around all of our pasta. I'll see you at the table. And there you go, absolutely wonderful. Like I say, I didn't put any Parmesan cheese. If you wanted, you could put some on the top when you're serving that. Delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you. And by the way, we've got a new channel I'll leave the link below, which is completely 100% vegan. Please check that out. We're looking for subscribers at the moment. We're just starting and we need your help. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.